Hello everybody. Now we will start chapter number 4 of NCERT book, and this chapter name is determinants. So let us first see the definition of determinant. The determinant is connected with a square matrix, and definition is every square matrix can be associated with an expression or a number. This number can be real or imaginary, is known as its determinant. If A is a square matrix with the general element Aij, then the determinant of A is denoted by det of A, the short form of determinant det. Or we write two vertical lines and within it we write the matrix A. So this way also we can represent the determinant. Now one thing that we should not get confused with the modulus function, because modulus function we have read in our class 11th. The modulus function also we represent in this manner only, but this is not modulus, it is determinant, because the A is here, the is a matrix, not any number. So this thing you should keep it in our mind. Okay, when we are dealing with the matrix, so this is way we represent the determinant of that matrix. Now determinant of a square matrix of order 1. If A with the element A11, only single element is there, is a square matrix of order 1, then determinant of A is written as the determinant of A11, and the answer of this will be the number itself. The same element will be the determinant. So it means that if we are finding the determinant of single element, so that element itself is the determinant of that matrix. For example, if we want to find the determinant of 5 1 by 1 matrix, the answer will be 5 only. Similarly, if we are finding the determinant of -2, then it will be -2 only. Now note that this symbol signifies determinant, not the modulus function. So this thing you have to remember. Now let us see how to find the determinant of a square matrix of order 2. If A is a square matrix of order 2 with these 4 elements, then determinant of A, we write the determinant in this form. We remove this bracket and we write the vertical lines, and within these vertical lines we write all the 4 elements, and the value is calculated by the cross multiplication as I have shown here, by the down arrow and the up arrow. This kind of cross multiplication you have already done in class 10th when you were solving the linear equation in two variable by cross multiplication method. So here what we do, here we find the product of down arrow. So you can see that A11 into A22, then minus the product of up arrow. So that is A21 into A12 or A12 into A21. So this way, whatever the answer we will get after simplifying it, that will give the determinant of the square matrix of order 2. Suppose we are taking one example. So you can see this example, we want to evaluate the determinant of the element 5 4 minus 2 3. So clearly here determinant of order 2 by 2. So we will find by the cross multiplication as I explained earlier. So 5 into 3 down arrow product minus up arrow product 4 into minus 2. So 5 into 3 become 15 and minus into minus become plus. 4 into 2 8. So 15 plus 8 gives 23. So 23 is the required determinant of this matrix. I hope it is clear. We will take one more example to understand it in a better way. Now the second question is evaluate the determinant of the elements are sine theta, cos theta, minus cos theta and sine theta. Now let the required determinant is, we can also denote the value of determinant as this delta, small triangle, which is read as delta. So therefore delta will be obtained by doing the cross multiplication as I told you in the previous question. So we will do the cross multiplication in this manner. So first of all, we find the multiplication of down arrow. So sine theta into sine theta, then put minus sign, then the product of up arrow, that is cos theta, multiplied by this minus cos theta. Sin theta into sin theta becomes sin square theta, and this minus getting multiplied with this minus becomes plus, and cos theta into cos theta becomes cos square theta. And now sin square theta plus cos square theta becomes an identity which is 1. So delta is 1. So the value of the given determinant is 1. I hope it is clear how to calculate the determinant of square matrix of order 2. Now one more example I am taking here. Third example, evaluate the determinant. The elements are x minus 1, 1, x cube and x square plus x plus 1. We will do the cross multiplication as I explained you. Now how to obtain this delta will be the multiplication of this x minus 1 multiplied with this expression x square plus x plus 1, then we'll put minus sign, and then we'll do the multiplication of up arrow. Up arrow is x cube into 1. So x cube into 1. Now we will do the simplification. When we multiply, we know how to open the bracket. So first x will get multiplied with this bracket. So this will be x cube plus x square plus x. Then minus 1 will get multiplied. So minus x square. Then minus x. And minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1. And then minus x cube into 1 is minus x cube. Clear? Now this positive x cube will get cancelled with negative x cube. So now the remaining plus x square and minus x square is also there. So this will also get cancelled. Plus x and minus x also get cancelled. So we are left with only one element, which is minus 1. So therefore this is the required value of the determinant. I hope now it is clear now how to calculate the determinant of the square matrix of order 2. Now you will have to practice little bit. Now the next topic is the determinant of the square matrix of order 3. Let us take a square matrix of order 3 with the element a11, a12, a13 first row element, a21, a22, a23 second row element, and a31, 32, 33 as the third row element. Now when we want to find the determinant, so as I told you that we have to write the element in this form, and then how to find the value. This is the most important part. Let us see how to get the value of this determinant. So here we can find the value either by taking the first row, or by second row, or by third row. So we can find the value of determinant by expanding. This is known as expansion of determinant, है ना? So by expanding it along any particular row or particular column. So I am expanding it along row 1. So here I am expanding along row 1 element are a11, a12 and a13. So what we have to do, we have to take first this element a11, and here I have taken minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1. Now minus 1 is a number and 1 plus 1 is the position of this element. This is the, see, you can see that 1 means the element of first row and first column. So minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 1. So this is similarly when we are taking this element, so I will be taking here a12 and here minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 2, because the position is first row and the second column. So what we have to do, so minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, then this element, and then we will delete this particular row and column of the matrix. That means the first row, this is the first row, so this first row and first column will get deleted. So we will be left with 4 elements, and then we will have to find the determinant of these 4 elements as I have written, determinant of a22, a23, 32 and a33, and this becomes the determinant of 2 by 2 order matrix. Then we come to the next element of the first row, which is a12, and before that we have to take minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 2 as I explained you, and then The same way we have to delete this particular row and column, the first row and the second column. The first row is same, so this we have to delete, and this column we have to delete. So you can see that these elements are left: A21, A31, A23 and A33. So I have taken here A21, A31, A23 and A33. Can you see? Like this. Now the third element of this row is A13. So I have written A13, but before that plus sign and then minus 1 raised power 1 plus 3. So why I am taking this thing? First I will explain you that these three positions. So here 1 plus 1 becomes even number. So this element is called as the element of even position. This is odd position. This is even position, like this. So whenever we get odd position, so we have to change the sign of this particular element. So here you can see that A11 is in even place because 1 plus 1 is even. So here when we are taking, so here you can see that in the expansion A11 is taken as the same sign as it was. That means because it is plus, it has become plus here, minus 1 raised power 1 plus 1. Then what we have done, we have calculated the determinant of this. Determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix is calculated in the same way as explained earlier. A22 into A33, you can see cross product, down arrow and then up arrow. Up arrow is minus A32 into A23. Then comes the next position. So this is in the odd position, so therefore the sign of A12 will get changed. So I have written minus A12. Then again the determinant of this will be solved in the cross order manner. So A21 into A33, then up arrow A31 into A23. Got it? And then comes the next one, A13. Again it is in the even place because 1 plus 3 is even, so therefore it will become plus. So A13, and again the cross order A21 into A32 minus A31 into A22. And when we simplify it, so whatever the value we are obtaining, that will give the value of this determinant. So see that it is a expression. So when I open the bracket, so I will get the expression like this. Just open the bracket, A11 into A22 A33, then minus A11 A32 A23, and in the same way all the brackets have been open, and this expression we are getting, which will be after simplifying. Here we cannot simplify further, so therefore this is the answer for the determinant. But when we have the number, so we will get the simplified value. Now I am taking one example, so it will be clear how to evaluate the determinant. Question is, find the determinant of A if A is a square matrix of order 3 by 3 with the elements given here. You can see that. As I told you, we can expand it along any particular row. So suppose we are learning expanding it along row 1. I am explaining along row 1 because we have understood the process by row 1. Then I will show you that it can be expanded by any particular row or particular column. So row 1 mein, you can see that the elements are 3, minus 2 and 4. So when we take this element, so the position of this is first row, first column, so 1 plus 1 becomes even. So even position mein we have to take 3 as it is without changing the sign. Whatever the sign is, suppose it is minus 3, then we would have taken minus 3. That means we have to change the element, take the element as it is. So 3 is taken. Then what I told you, suppose this is the determinant of A. Then particular row and column got deleted. Then the element which are left are, see this row and this column get deleted. So which elements are left? 2, 1 and 1 and minus 1. So we will write here 2, 1, 1 and minus 1. Right? Then the second element is minus 2, but it is in the odd place because first row, second column. So 1 we have to change the sign of it. So minus 2 ki jagah we will be writing plus 2. Then the same thing, particular this row and this column got deleted. So what will be left? 1, 0 and 1 minus 1. Can you see? After deleting this row and this column, so 1, 0 and 1 minus 1 is left. So I have written here. Then come 4. So this is what? First row and which column? Third column. So even place. Even place mein we have to take this element as it is plus sign के साथ. अगर ये ऑड पोजिशन में होता तो वी वुड हैव चेंज द साइन like the previous one. So then again this row and column got deleted. The elements are left 1 and 2, this element and this element 0 1. I hope it is clear. Then we have to simplify. We know how to find the determinant of 2 by 2. So 3 is outside. So here 2 into minus 1 becomes 2 into minus cross को multiply करना है. So 2 into minus 1 becomes minus 2 and then minus 1 into 1 is 1. Then plus 2 comes. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 and then minus sign. 0 into 1 is 0. Then 4, 1 into 1 is 1 and 0 into 2 is 0. Now you know how to simplify it. So 3 remains as it is. Minus 2 and minus 1 become minus 3. Plus 2 into minus 1. This 4 into 1 minus 0 is 1. So 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. And this is 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 and this becomes 4. So minus 2 and minus 9 and minus 2 becomes minus 11 plus 4 and this becomes minus 7. So minus 7 is the determinant of A. I hope समझ में आ गया आपको कैसे फाइंड करना है. तो क्या किया हमने, फर्स्ट रो से एक्सपेंशन किया था, वापस से देख लो. फर्स्ट रो में 3 एलिमेंट है तो वी हैव टेकन 3 बिकॉज इट इज इन द इवन प्लेस. तो यू कैन सी दैट ये दिस वन इज इवन, दिस इज ऑड, दिस इज इवन, दिस इज ऑड, दिस इज इवन, दिस इज ऑड. तो ये जो मैं सर्कल कर देता हूँ तो ये ऑड प्लेसेस है जहाँ पे आपको ये जैसे ये ऑड प्लेस है, ये ऑड प्लेस है, ये ऑड प्लेस है, ये ऑड. यहाँ पे आपको जब भी ये एलिमेंट सब काम में लेंगे तो इनके साइन बदलने, अदरवाइज बाकी सबके साइन वैसे है. देखो यहाँ 3 लिया तो मैंने वैसा वैसा साइन लिया, जब यहाँ 4 लिया तो मैंने वैसा साइन लिया, जब ये ऑड पोजीशन था तो -2 की जगह मैंने +2 लिया. ऐसे ही अगर मैं सेकंड रो से खोलता तो ये वाला फर्स्ट एलिमेंट आता तो ऑड पोजीशन पे तो इसके 1 की जगह -1 लेता और 2 की जगह वैसा का वैसा लेता और इस 1 की जगह वापस -1 लेते हैं. अभी करके देखेंगे. और अभी तो मेरे ख्याल से आपको ये प्रोसेस समझ में आ गया है. अच्छे तरह एक बार प्रैक्टिस करो क्योंकि दिस रिक्वायर्ड प्रैक्टिस and when you get the proper practice then it is easy. Okay, I'll do it now, but suppose I'll show it by doing the expansion along the row 2. Expanding along row 2. अब row 2 के एलिमेंट्स आपको दिख रहे हैं. कैसा आएगा, डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ए विल बी, पहला ये एलिमेंट क्या है, ये क्या आ रहा है 1 आ रहा है तो 1 की जगह हमें क्या लेना पड़ेगा, ऑड पोजीशन में है तो -1 लेंगे तो -1. फिर हम ये पर्टिकुलर रो एंड कॉलम डिलीट कर देंगे, आपको दिख रहा है. चलो नहीं तो मैं फोल्ड करके बताऊँ आपको. देखो अब देखो, अब दिख रहा है आपको. तो ये क्या लिया मैंने -1, फिर ये रो एंड कॉलम डिलीट कर दिया तो बचेगा क्या आपके पास, ये रो और कॉलम डिलीट करेंगे तो -2 4 और यहाँ क्या बचेगा 1 एंड -1. फिर ये 2 है तो इवन पोजीशन पे है तो 2 वैसा का वैसा, ये पर्टिकुलर रो कॉलम डिलीट कर दिया तो 3 4 ऊपर बचा और 0 -1 नीचे बचा. फिर ये 1 आ गया तो ऑड पोजीशन पे है तो -1 लिया इधर, ये रो कॉलम डिलीट कर दिया तो 3 -2 ऊपर बचा और 0 1 नीचे बचा. एक्सपेंड करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा -1, फिर वही क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई -2 इंटू -1 तो क्या बन जाएगा +2, फिर -1 इंटू 4 4, फिर 2 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई में 3 इंटू -1 इज -3 एंड फिर माइनस साइन 0 इंटू 4 इज 0, फिर -1 3 इंटू 1 इज 3 और 0 -2 इज 0. तो व्हेन यू सी दैट -1 एज इट इज 2 -4 इज -2, then this +2 into -3 -0 is -3, -1 into 3 तो इसको आप खोलो तो माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस तो 2, प्लस इंटू माइनस इज माइनस, 2 3 या 6, माइनस इंटू प्लस इज माइनस और ये हो गया 3. दिस इज 2 - 9 और 2 - 9 इज -7. तो आप देख लो ये -7 आ रहा है, यहाँ भी पहले भी -7 आ रहा. तो आपने पहले वाले केस में एक्सपेंशन किया था फर्स्ट रो से एंड द सेकंड केस यू हैव एक्सपेंडेड अलोंग द सेकंड रो, तो वी आर गेटिंग द सेम आंसर. So that means the determinant of 3 by 3 order matrix can be obtained by expanding it along any particular row or column. You can now try to do it by expanding it along row 3. You must get the same answer. as this I am getting. I hope it is clear.